Basic usage of want you to or need you to. I want you to plus verb. I want you to is telling someone that you have a desire or would like for them to do something. Here are some examples. I want you to clean the dishes. I want you to come home right after school. I want you to call once you get there. I want you to explain yourself to me. I want you to educate me. By using the word need instead of want, you are expressing something that is required or wanted. Here are some examples. I need you to study harder in school. I need you to stop and listen to me. I need you to greet our guests. I need you to introduce me to your family. I need to request a refund.